And God bless me, cause I woke up today.
For real, play on my tune, you get shot in your face. Fuck nigga talking this shit, we don't play.
Man, what the hell going on? Y'all boys straight, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's another video. We coming back to back. I told y'all, we gonna keep this shit consistent throughout the whole year. We gonna see how this shit end up. You know what I'm saying? So boom, right? This video today, this a tutorial, bro. This is a tutorial, bro. Oh God, bro. Like, for all y'all niggas that rap, do music, and you independent with your shit, bro. Like, you mix your own shit, you engineer your own shit. This is for you. If you don't mix, engineer, if you just, you feel me, do your music at home and then send it off to somebody, this is still for you. If you just go to a studio and goddamn, you feel me, like you just go off of what that nigga doing, this ain't for you. So go ahead, you know what I'm saying? This body, these for the independents only. You know what I'm saying? But look though, I'm gonna teach y'all about how to get some free plugins, but they can only be for 7 days, bruh. But you can repeat this shit back to back to back to back. I'm talking about like back to back. I'm talking about like nigga, anytime you need plug, but it only gonna be 7 days. So you got 7 days to go crazy. And then start again. 7 days go crazy, start again. 7 days go crazy, start again. You know what I'm saying? But look though, it's a method, man. It's a method. It's a method. You know what I'm saying? Hey, goddamn, you know what I'm saying? It's a method to this, man. You know what I'm saying? So it ain't really no method. It's just, you just gotta keep creating emails, bro. Make sure you got space too. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got space. I'm gonna show y'all, alright? So boom, right? We back. Y'all see the setup, man. You know what I'm saying? You see that, man? You see that right there, man? You see that right there, man? You know what I'm saying? Let me wipe out the camera. Still look the same ugly. Nah, I got the headphone. These shits look fucked up though, but they still work, nigga. On God, nigga. You hear my shit, you gonna be like, what the hell, bro? You making all this shit off of this, bro? This? Not even a audio interface, bro? This, bro? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But look though, you know what I'm saying? Here's how you do this shit, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm holding the camera, so bear with me, man. You know what I'm saying? So what you wanna do before this, right? What you wanna do is create an email. All you gotta do is go right there, create an email, add another account, right? Use another account, right? Go to create an email, do all that. I already created my email, so yeah, it's easy. So boom, right? After you create an email, this is the email I created. No, it ain't. Hold on. This is the email I created, right? It's right here. Once you create an email, what you want to do is go right here and say start here, right? And then what you want to do right here is you want to log in with that email and then create a password. It could be 8 characters. You already know. If you already know ways, bro, then you already know what to do here. It's 8 characters and then, you know, a little special character like the exclamation part, right? Boom. You sign up, right? Sign up. Let me sign up right quick. Hold on. Sign up right quick. Yeah, these is like these right here. These is all the goddamn emails I done use, nigga. That's why you see a lot, my nigga. But I'm gonna sign in with this one right here. Log in, and boom, right? You got an account. You got an account on it, right? This ain't it. You know what I'm saying? It's still some more work. You know what I'm saying? So, right, you got an account, right? Every time you get an email, put it into the fucking you log in, right? Boom, you good. Plugins. Now what you want to do, bro? Is go crazy. Whatever you want, my nigga. Whatever you trying to get. See, I know what the hell. I already know what the hell I get. So I just get that bit. So feel me, shit like this, we go ahead and get that. You know what I'm saying? And this shit is on repeat, my nigga. And it don't be snitching, bro. You know what I'm saying? Cause I ain't trying to get this motherfucker blocked. You know what I'm saying? I need to be doing the most. And after you download this, I got a Mac. I don't know about the Windows, but after you download this and it pop up right there, you good, bro. All you gotta do is go to the next plugin, download it. It's already in the thing once you I'ma show y'all. But look though. Boom, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward all this, man. But you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Keep getting what you want. Get the demo. Make sure you get the demo. Get demo. I need all this noise suppression. Put y'all niggas on, man. y'all niggas don't see. I go fast 'cause I already know what the hell I want. You see how much emails in that bit, right? Oh god, nigga, it's too much, nigga. I did this shit back to back so many times, bro, and mixed shit off of here. Made that motherfucker sound too good, nigga. Oh yeah, you gonna need this, bro. If you mixing in headphones, bro, and you don't got no studio, bro, make sure you get this, bro. Make sure you get this CLA NX, bro. Bro, you get that, bro. Bro, you're gonna feel like you in the studio. You can like, you feel me? You can't tell bass off of here, bro. But if you download that, bro, this shit literally gonna put you in the studio. Did I download that? Was that the one I downloaded? Fuck, man. I goddamn lost my play. Hold on. Shit, I'm downloading it. Fuck. So boom, right? You definitely need that to mix bass and shit. You know what I'm saying? You can't hear bass off of that, bro. You can't. It's impossible. You can hear it. You feel me? You can compare it and do a little reference, but bro, you like what you want to mix bass off of is like something, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like where you can, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying? Really hear that jump, you feel me? So boom. How I get my beats is I get them off YouTube. So it's already a 2-track beat. I can't, you feel me, unless I do another track. You feel me? Like, and these for the niggas that know what the hell I'm talking about, bro. If you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, just, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Have faith. Like, or goddamn, look what the hell I'm talking about. Cause look up what I'm talking about. Cause you feel me? Like, you got time to explain right now. You feel me? So boom, got that. Let me get that. This how I get all my plugins free. All plugins free. I got that. And also, do I got a? Yeah, I already got one of them plugins in Logic Pro, so I'm gonna leave that alone, right? You definitely need a de-esser, nigga. If you ain't using no de-esser, nigga, your shit probably sound harsh as shit. Oh god, nigga, that shit probably sound harsh as fuck. No cap. Boom, right? What else I need? Shit, let me get that. I don't even need that shit. Let me get yeah, definitely need this. This adds warmth to the fucking song and shit. You know what I'm saying? It don't come out clean. It come out, you feel me, like dirt, like boom. You feel me, like bass and shit, all that shit. Tell you. But this only lasts 7 days, so you gotta keep repeating this process, bro. And keep reminding y'all, cause y'all niggas think, you know what I'm saying? Y'all niggas think this shit, you feel me? Definitely gonna need this. This make your reverb sound more intimate, more, you feel me? Like you actually in the studio. Cause I ain't in the studio, so I gotta, you feel me? I gotta get a good sound and reverb type shit. You know what I'm saying? So boom. Right. I seen some. I wanted to see what the fuck that was. Let me get that smack attack too. No cap. Boom. Bro, I seen. Yeah, there you go. What the fuck is this? I'm gonna see that later. Yeah, it looked interesting. That looked interesting, man. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? VU meter. I mean, you can use that, but like, you got damn near a VU meter in Logic Pro. So if you in Logic Pro, you feel me? You don't even need this. But let me get you that bit. Just cause. So I can tell the loudness of my shit. You know what I'm saying? You want your shit to be loud and compete with commercial tracks. So, yeah. Let me see. Center. Definitely need center. that spreads the music out. Put the lows where the lows at, put the highs where the highs at. For sure. What else did I not get? I need that compressor shit. Hold on. Oh, there you go. Renaissance channel. Definitely need that. Boom. What else I need? I got that. I got the noise suppressor. Hey, hold on, I'm get right back with y'all once I get everything downloaded, bro. Alright, so boom, got everything right. Once you done with that, to my cell in, nigga, nah, nigga, I got my shit. Look though, boom, right? After you done with that, I had an app already down. You should have an app already downloaded, Wave Central, right? You should have that already downloaded. If it's not downloaded, all you have to do is get the, you feel me, like download the demo, automatically gonna download. See, log in, boom. Hold on, cause I forgot that shit. What the hell that shit is? Filet 767. Alright, Filet 767. All you wanna do from there is sign in. All you wanna do from there is gonna, you feel me, sign in and shit. Gonna sign you in. Don't show that again. You don't give a fuck about that. These are all the shits I downloaded. God damn. Now, these are all the shits I downloaded, right? What you wanna do is click on that and click install and activate. And there you have it. You got your plugins, my nigga. After this is done downloading, what you wanna do is restart your computer and you gonna have them shits loaded in your shit right here. I'm on Logic. I'm on this right here. You gonna have your shit already loaded in there. It's already gonna be loaded. But hey, yeah, that's how you get your free plugin, man. You know what I'm saying? If you enjoy that video, man, hey, like, comment, subscribe. I can bring you some more, you feel me? I got some more cheats, some more everything, nigga. Money motion, nigga, everything. I got everything, man. Anything you wanna know, I got that shit, you know what I'm saying? While this shit download, I'ma show you a little snippet, you know what I'm saying? The next song, you know what I'm saying? So just stay tuned type shit, you know what I'm saying? Alright, boom, done downloaded, you know what I'm saying? Done downloaded 100%, you know what I'm saying? Boom. Now it's time to get into, you know what I'm saying? What y'all boy be waiting for, you know what I'm saying? Little sneak peek, little snippet, you know what I'm saying? Or the next song, this shit so hard, bruh. You know what I'm saying? So boom. What you wanna do is restart your computer, right? Restart that bitch. So it can put all the settings in your shit. Oh shit, did I say it? God damn. Hey, hold on, bro. Nah, I'm talking about goddamn some other shit. But shit, damn. I think I said that shit. Oh no, yeah. I said got this speaker and shit. It be actually play loud. It just sound like it's underwater type of shit. But shit, it's all good. This shit play loud and the motherfucker look clear. See that Calvin cologne type shit, whatever the fuck nigga shit is. You know what I'm saying? So boom, right? We back at it. Don't mind that. Alright, don't mind that. Don't mind that. You think they took a picture of that in real life, or you think they fucking animated that shit and made that shit? You know what I'm saying? Motherfucker really look like that. You know that used to be a tree, right? We gonna get deeper into that, man. We gonna get deeper into that. Trust me. Bruh. Later on, bro, we gonna get deep into that, bro. I'm telling you, bro. All this physiology shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. I think I said that shit right. But all this shit, you know what I'm saying? This the YouTube video, you know what I'm saying? Don't mind that. It's the YouTube video. Y'all go view that type shit. All these damn pop-ups. Shit. Bruh. Delete. Yeah, you talking about. This the logo for all my shit. It's another logo. This just one on your film. So boom. Right. Oh, okay. I was like, hold on, man. Hold on, huh? Is that what you talking about, nigga? To a power Parasaur. What the fuck you talking about a Parasaur? You ain't said that shit before. But nah, hell nah. Feel me? All that shit, just pulled it up, right? Just pulled it up. Logic Pro. All this shit download. I don't need that. All this shit download. Feel me? And you got 7 days worth of that. 7 days worth of your plug-in, bro. So you better use that shit wisely. You know what I'm saying? Gotta see if you an independent motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Independent motherfucker. You know we gonna do that shit every time. Snippet, man. Finna play this motherfucker. EJ wanted the song. I got y'all boy placed up. You know what I'm saying? But here you go, take shit. Take mine off. Oh shit, needed. This the shit me and my twin hawk on. Hold on. We ain't gonna that's exclusive right there. Hold on. We gonna do that one right here. Berserk distortion. I got another distortion, nigga. Fuck all that. I ain't need that shit. But if I already used that shit, that's fucked up. Hopefully I didn't use that shit. Fuck, I did. I can replace that though. Yeah, go ahead. Feel me? Alright, boom, right? This is something I'm working on, man. Finna finish this shit today after I get off this motherfucker. Like that.
Hey, Sage, that's okay. Forward, yo, bitch, never gonna let come out the green like you slack, ain't no time. I gotta grind, ain't nobody gonna stop me from that. Put the muzzle on the clock, I'ma clock 'em right back. You can listen to talk, I'ma show you the fact. These niggas don't listen, teeth yeah glisten, no down. 8 feet chain, get wrapped up behind. I don't like violence, but nigga don't try it. Set that boy up for a play, we gon' knock this shit out, guarantee this will come up like water. All the green in my system ain't going to fake, I'ma pop this shit out like a dime. I ain't even eat, but I ready to go work. I was 9 in the class looking under a skirt, 15 had your face in the motherfucking dirt. Nigga, it's up, nah, what he do? Ain't taking no shit, got a chew. Nigga trying me, stomp on his ass with that boot. Nigga ain't walk around smelling like Jimmy the Chew. Chew, that how you hoe up, with the crew, ooh, that bitch never gonna let come out the green like you slack, ain't no time. I gotta grind, ain't nobody.
Little snippet. I know y'all boy fuck with that too. I know y'all nigga fuck with that, bro. Real talk, bro. Hey, this shit going that way and not that way. I promise. But look though, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and finish that goddamn song and you probably drop that motherfucker on God. Look though, that's a video of how you get plugins. You see all them plugins? Damn, I can't even show it. But you seen all them plugins on the thing, right? Bro, all that shit I downloaded for free. 7 days every time, bro. But that's how you get plugins for free. If you're an independent artist and you know how to mix and shit, you know what you're doing, you got your own setup, boom. Just taught your ass to do that. Y'all boy like more videos like that, like, comment, subscribe, do all that. I'm finna get right back into this shit, finish that motherfucker, and drop that shit for y'all boy. Hey, y'all boy stay tuned, man. Hey, the J4A, subscribe, do all that, like, comment, share. You know what I'm saying? I will be well, just like a bell, chicken stuff, chicken fry, no guy. I'm that guy.